Hey guys, how's it going? So in this video, we're going to be talking about AMD's big move to buy Xilinx. Could be a little bit of a clickbait video, but I think this is a pretty big deal. And I'll play a little bit of them talking about it, and then I'll talk more about it myself. So yes, so if AMD acquires Xilinx, they would be extremely competitive to Intel. But investors of AMD don't like this news and they're selling off the stock. So, this could create an opportunity. I don't know how low the stock price will go. But in my opinion, AMD is probably going to have to use stock to buy the company because let's be honest, they don't have that much money on their balance sheet for cash. They have a total of 1.77 billion dollars of cash, 1.79 billion dollars of receivables. So they don't have a huge amount of cash. So Xilinx, it will only make sense for them to use all stock to buy Xilinx. Could be wrong. Maybe they'll give Xilinx $500,000, which is absolutely nothing, and it's just better just to buy the company out with stock because let's be honest, AMD doesn't have too much cash. That's why I think investors are selling off because they don't want to get diluted. So they're selling off the stock. But we'll see though. We'll see what happens. We'll see how low the AMD stock will go. But it will definitely be a stock exchange between AMD and Xilinx. And the premium would put Xilinx at around $135. So in theory, you could make some like 5 or 10% off this by buying into it right now, or maybe hope for a dip and then buy into it. I don't know. At the end of the day, what you want to do, but I think that Xilinx and AMD could be a good combination. I wanted to see AMD acquire Micron. I think that would be a lot better, but Micron is more expensive. But I would still like to see AMD acquire Micron. Intel, on the other hand, Intel is probably going to lose a lot. Like in the next couple years, I think Intel is going to lose a lot of market share to AMD because now AMD has a better CPU than Intel, and I think customers are going to go with the AMD choice over the Intel choice because AMD keeps innovating. Even though Intel has a ton of money, sometimes money doesn't mean you're gonna be the victor. Sometimes the engineers matter more than the money. Maybe AMD has more talent than Intel, and it sucks for Intel. But AMD has, maybe they have better employees, better talent, and that's the reason why they are staying competitive with Intel, even though Intel has billions and billions of dollars on the balance sheet. I think like Intel has they have about $25 billion on the balance sheet with $7.4 billion of receivables. So yeah, Intel has a lot of cash on the balance sheet compared to AMD. Intel could definitely buy out Xilinx for a lot cheaper. I mean, with cash, But but AMD and Xilinx could be a big competitor to Intel. So I think that is a good combination. But like I said, I still would have loved to see AMD buy out Micron. I think that would have been a better acquisition. Workhorse holding its ground. The SPY is still green. Diamond Peak Holdings is just kind of trading sideways right now. Looking kind of bullish, but a little bit of sideways action. Tesla is green, up $5.93. NEO is up 19 cents. Hyliion is trading sideways today. GameStop. Oh, wow, GameStop. Man, I made such a wrong choice to buying GameStop at around $13. Because it looks like such a deal right now. Wow, I can't believe how much of a sell-off GameStop is having. Sucks. Kind of hurts a little bit, but that's the markets for you, right? Sometimes you don't make the perfect decisions. And I could have bought GameStop at a lot better price. And who knows, maybe this is a pump and dump and GameStop is heading back down to where it got pumped at, which is $9.36. Maybe. That's also a possibility. That's the risk I take for buying the stock. Every time you buy a stock, it's always risk, right? Like, if I don't take profit, I'm gambling that the stock price is going higher, and my gamble is failing. And people, shorts are winning. So, I think the stock could head down lower. I don't know. But doesn't look good right now. Doesn't look good right now. Kind of a little scared, but I still stand by my stance that GameStop is undervalued. But if shorts can bring it down, that's their ability. So we'll see what happens. Trine is trading sideways today. GMHI is trading sideways. Lithium America Corporation down 72 cents. Piedmont Lithium is down 2 cents. Canadian Nickel Company is up 2 cents. FPX not doing too much. Green Power down 46 cents. ACB just trading sideways. Afria up 5 cents. Cineplex Odeon looking tasty. Please keep going down. Please keep going down. And TAT is trading sideways. Anyways, that is it for my video. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for future updates and have a great day. Bye.